So I woke up not feeling amazing at all today. We went sledding yesterday for a long time, and I just kind of feel like I got hit by a truck today. So I wanted to share with you guys what I eat on keto when I am not feeling well. Hi friends, welcome to Keto with Libby. I am Libby and I'm on a journey to health using the ketogenic lifestyle. I post everything from weight loss to what in the world I'm eating when I'm sick, so if any of that interests you, please stick around. I first want to start off with a few tips and reasons why I stay keto when I am sick, and then we'll get into what I eat. So obviously when you're sick, do what's best for you and what works best for your lifestyle. I personally stick to keto when I don't feel good because I feel good when I'm eating keto foods, and when I'm eating non-keto foods, I don't feel good. So when I go off of keto while I'm sick, it's kind of like a double whammy and I just feel awful. So I tend to stick to keto for that reason. So this morning I made myself a bulletproof coffee because I just thought I was tired from sledding yesterday. But then as I'm sitting here drinking it, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I don't feel great. So I made myself a drink. I don't usually pay a whole lot of attention to the medicines that I take, like carbs wise, but I do try to focus on like the sugar-free lozenges, which I'll show you in a second. But I made some Alka-Seltzer daytime drink stuff. I really love this stuff because first off, I drink a lot of fluids when I'm sick because that makes me feel better. After I drink this, I will have some electrolyte water. And then the next thing that I did right away when I started feeling sick was I got some of these sugar-free Hall's Defense. Helps support the immune system. It's got vitamin C, all those good things. These are my favorite sugar-free ones. I love them. So this will be number 2 for the day. So yeah, I haven't eaten anything yet today. I'm really honestly not that hungry. I am gonna go rest and then I will show you guys the next thing that I eat or drink. It'll probably be a drink because I'm really not that hungry. And I always increase my fluid intake when I don't feel good. And it's not just water. I try to push a bunch of different liquids just to make myself feel better. So I'm gonna go rest and I'll see you guys later. So it is about 11 o'clock. Pretty hungry actually. So we are going to make brunch. I rewarmed up my coffee. Actually, my wonderful boyfriend rewarmed up my coffee for me. So I'm gonna drink that while we're making breakfast, and we're having biscuits and gravy. We had it yesterday and it was phenomenal. So we're gonna make it again today. So yeah. So brunch is just kind of cooling off before I serve it up, and I'm going to make myself a water with electrolytes, and let me show you which ones. So I'm going to be using my LMNT. I've been using these for a long time. I really love them. and they make me feel really good, especially when we're not feeling well. We want to replenish the electrolytes in our body to make sure that we are just feeling tip-top notch. I drink these every day anyways, just to combat any type of like keto flu or anything like that, but then also to make sure that I'm getting my everyday electrolytes, to make sure everything is working well. I also wanted to say earlier that just being in ketosis also has some good healing benefits, and that's another reason why I stay keto when I am not feeling well. I am starting to feel better. I got up and moved and cooked, obviously. I think after I eat, I'll feel a little bit better, but I'm excited to eat. I am pretty hungry. Also, when I'm not feeling well, I tend to feed my body a little bit more than I normally would. I usually try to stick to no snacking and things like that, but when I am sick, I just give my body what it wants, and that seems to help for me. I don't go crazy with snacking and food. I'm usually not too hungry, so just listen to your body and kind of give it what it wants more when you're sick. So I'm gonna drink my water, serve up our brunch, and go relax some more. Thank you. Welcome. Okay, so it is now, it's like 6:30, but we are making dinner. We have in the oven some baked chicken with blackened chicken seasoning, and I am about to put some green beans in the air fryer, and then I will probably have another little bun, the rolls, biscuits that we had this morning. But I also, where'd they go? I am also gonna make myself this sipping bone broth. I have this on hand all the time. It tastes delicious, and I love having it when I'm sick because it's just like soup, but it's keto bone broth, and it's wonderful. So let's make dinner. I'm feeling a little better. I'm just really tired, and my throat still kind of hurts, but I do feel a lot better than I did this morning, so that is a plus. What I am doing is working. All right, friends, that is where I'm going to end today's video. That is all I'm going to have today besides just another water. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. Just try to keep it simple and practical and focus on getting in your protein and those electrolytes and all those essential vitamins and nutrients that you need for your body to heal. Being in ketosis has its healing benefits anyways, so just continuing on keto is always what works best for me. So thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!